Haya ni mathaa mega magukumenyithia maria mariku thiini iria iriku ya mohoro ni mwihoko wakwa ati muthenya waku ni uragutwarithia uwega hatakiri nganja iri ho na gitio kinene riu ngagikwamukira metha-ini itu ya mohoro. Muci uyu witu tuwitaga wa kihumo gia gutherema ni gukiuga ati guku ni kwa Muthingi TV na ni ugakijita Kariuki wa Nduati. Aya tukiambiriria mohoro maitu mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV ni ati atongoria a makanitha ni morite thirikari oro hamwe na mung'ethaniro metikire kunanira njung'wa niguo mahote kwaraniria oro wa kunina ngucanio na makiria ndugamano iria ikoretwo igithie na mbere guku bururi-ini. Matongoretio ni Archbishop wa kanitha wa Ruwe noria kana Ruwe Holy Ghost Church of East Africa niwe wikitie ritana riri akiuga ati bururi ni munene gukira kana bururi wa Kenya ni munene gukira mundu o wothe na koguo njireria njoga ya gutigirira ati ni manina ngucanio ciao ni gutigirira ati ni maunanira njung'wa itemi-ini ria kunina ngucanio na ngui iria ikoretwo igithie na mbere. Ukiri uguo ni moritie atongoria ya matige kuhuthagira micemanio ya muingi oro hamwe na mathiko guthiaga kurehe mateta mao mbere ya muingi makiuga ati kiria bururi irabatara thaa ici ni uthii wa na mbere na koguo atongoria magiunanira njung'wa ni undu wa maundu mamwe maria magicungereria bururi ukorwo ugitherema kuna ati ngaheha cia mahinda kwa mahinda na makiria njukaniriro ya miario angi makihuraga githuri ni undu wa maundu mamwe maria macungagireria bururi ugekora hatika-ini.
Our country is now in a very pathetic situation whereby as church leaders I will just request our political groups to swallow their pride so that they have a good consultation so that they bring peace to the country, because the country is very important, and in any case there is a political ruggles, then the citizens of the country are the ones that are suffering. So as church we are praying for the peace of the country, and because we are marking the day for the successes that we have gone through in the church, we are also praying for the success of our country, Kenya and East Africa at large, because our church is operating in Kenya and East Africa. We are praying that they end up well, but we are advising them to leave thumb chesting and chest thumping, because we are seeing sometimes in the rallies, the message they portray in rallies does not portray what the Kenyans want. Kenyans want peace, Kenyans want order, Kenya wants people to be orderly and live in a harmonious way. So we'll just ask them whether they start in a good mood, but what do they say in public rallies? What do they say when they meet other people in other congregation? That is what brings animosity and brings a lot of heat in the country.
Tumekuwa tukifanya maombi kila mara, kila siku kwa wakubwa wetu wa kisiasa, ya kwamba Mungu awe nao, wakizungumza wawache ubinafsi, washingatie maslahi ya watu wote, ya Wakenya wote.
Haya ni merio enyitetwo baru ni speaker wa bunge ya gĩbũrũri noria wikaine ta Moses Wetangula na kuri ugite ati nimekunyitanira na abunge a miaho yeri itemi-ini ria gutigirira nimetha kihonia ya gutigirira ati ngayukano na makiria ndugamano gatagati ka thirikari na mung'ethaniro ni ciona wa kana ni ciona mwerekera mweru Wetangula retio hindi ya mucemanio na atongoria kuma kaunti-ini ya Bungoma na kuri eranire ati thirikari ni igetete wega gutigirira ati ni mamukira machini cia gutigirira ati ni kumateithiriria na makiria kiganda-ini kia Nzoia. Gukiri uguo na watongoria kuma mwena ucio na mathiete na mbere na guthinyiriria muingi witikire guikara na urumwe na wendani guku muingi ugithi na mbere na gwikirio ritana ria kwambika thayo.
Feel so warmly and excited.
I want to assure the country that as Parliament which I head, we are going to facilitate the bipartisan discussions on the issues they will agree to bring peace, tranquility and development to our country. Hii injili yetu sisi zote, in 1 hour tumemaliza mkutano, Nzoia inaenda kupata a brand new meal kutoka kwa serikali. Na sasa sisi ni kujipanga serikali ikitaka kuondoka katika Nzoia, Nzoia iwe mali ya county ya Bungoma. Hakuna cha kuuza Nzoia. So wale mnapiga biashara ya porojo Nzoia hawakuseri acha, hakuna.
Zuru mlima Elgon, eneo bunge la Sirisia, eneo bunge la Kapchai na Tongaren. Tubadilishe miswada ya kahawa na majani chai wiki lijalo, ili viongozi wetu wanapoleta viwanda vya majani chai na kahawa tuweke pesa mfukoni, tuache kutembea katika barase za nchi hii na vifuria na miko tukipigia watu kelele.
I will continue serving you. We have been told we are putting lights in Chepkaka and many other places.
Sasa umoja wetu ndio nguvu zetu. Moja ya watu ya Western region ndio umoja wetu. Kwa hiyo mkae na hiyo umoja na hiyo upendo na tuendeshe serikali na tusapoti kijana Moses Speaker Wetangula.
The completion of the
Atiri undu gitangaja thirikari oro hamwe na mwena wa mung'ethaniro no rio tongoragio ni Raila Odinga magiunanira njung'wa na gutigirira ati nimetha kihonia kia mathina maya bururi no korwo gitacokia makinya mbere kana bururi no korwo githie makinya maigano na mbere. Thina mbere ni ati thirikari ya county ya Pokot ya ithowiro ni reketie kuruguria uheani wa kigina kia basari na kire gitanyitwo kuguna arutwo aige mwena ucio kuga makiuga ati kana gukirikana ati aige ni aria makoretwo makigomirwo ni wagi wa besha na koguo fithi igakorwo ari kihinga kinene gukiri uguo kana ni kumana na uguo andiki kana kiaria na andiki ya Mohoro mubunge wa mwena ucio ri thukuru-ini wa Kiprop mubunge wa Pokot ni wewe uhekirite uhoro uyu mukode akiuga ati nimegetete wega gutigirira ati nimetha kihonia kia maundu maya mothe. Ukiri uguo ni athinyiririe aciari gukorwo magitikira kwiyumiria na njira nene akiuga atiriri ni ikereka ria mbere ria uheani wa kigina giki kia basari na nimeharirie gutigirira ati kigina giki ni gethi na mbere na kunyagio maita kana mahinda kwa mahinda gutigirira ati gutire murutwo wa hingiro kumanagia na we gukorwo akiaga fithi.
Kama cabinet tukiongozwa na Mheshimiwa Kachapin ameweza kutenga fedha hundi kubwa mwaka huu ya kuweza kusaidia wanafunzi kama bursaries, na shule ingawa ni ndogo waliweza kupata 1,800,000 1.8 million kama bursaries. Kwa hivyo tunataka kushukuru sana wanafunzi wajakuwa njiani wakaenda kutafuta karo, wamebaki mashuleni, na hata hivyo tuko na tamu ya pili ama ile second phase ya hiyo bursary, na nafikiria watoto ambao wanasoma day school kwa kijumla wataweza kupata 11,000. Ni jukumu letu kuwatunza wanafunzi wetu wanapokuja nyumbani. Walimu wana kazi nyingi shule, na hivyo pia sisi kama wazazi tujukumike tuone wanafunzi wetu wanatengewa kiwango maalum wakiwa kifanya kazi za nyumbani bila kuzurura mitaani, na pia wapate wakati maalum ambayo wanatengewa kwa masomo yao ya shahada.
Tunaambia wazazi kwamba wakae karibu na watoto yao, especially the boy child, because there are so many challenges, not only issue of pikipiki, even betting, they are also exposed to that. Even child labor is also rampant. Watoto wanaitwa wafanye kazi ya kutoa viazi, ya kupalilia na wanapata pesa. So hiyo inawa impact negatively on their education.
Haya niritana ria oro hamwe na atongoria kuma mwena ucio na kuria mathinyiriirie aciari makorwo magikia ritho na makiria kuria arutwo ao aria mahingite thukuru kwa ihinda ria rutha runini matigakorwo makihingirania na ciiko ngurani na makiria nginyanagia cia urathoni. Mubunge wa Manyata na Gitonga Mukonji ni athinyiriirie ati thirikari ya nene yagirwo ni gukorwo ikiheana kigina na makiria kia basari kuringana na wingi wa andu gicigo-ini no ti unene wa gicigo kiu. Akiaria igongona-ini ria uheani wa basari na makiria cia mathukuru ma ngathi ya iguru nimo universities, colleges na TVET ni augite ati uheani uri ukoretwo gitafanio ni thirikari wa kigina nduraigana kuona ati kuri na icigo imwe iramukira mbeca nyingi na marorania kana kuringana na wingi wa andu matia kana akiuga ati wingi uria uri county-ini kana icigo-ini icio ni ukorwo kiamukira kigina ta kiu gukiri uguo ni ugite ati marita bunge a gitaro kia Mount Kenya na kuria kuikaine na wingi wa andu ni menyitetie muthiuri na kuga ati akorwo he undu umwe bunge ya 13 ikuririkano na njira nene ni gutigirira ati ni mahitukia uhuthiri wa kigina kia muingi na makiria uruheani wa kigina kia basari kuringana na wingi wa andu gicigo-ini kiu ukiri uguo DCC wa county ya Embu ni ikitiritana kuri arutwo akimoria metikire kuhuthira mahinda mao wega na makiria riria marathoma na metigetikire kuingirania na maundu ma unyui wa njohi.
Sisi kama wabunge wa Mount Kenya tunaendelea kulia kwa sababu hii pesa tunapewa inapewanwa kwa constituency, lakini haina ile the right way ya kupeana hii pesa. Nilisoma kwa gazeti juzi, constituency inaitwa Rabai, sijikumbuki jina Rabai. Mbunge amepeana 100,000 per student waende ngambo wakasome. Na hiyo ni basari. Mimi hata kufikisha 10,000 siwezi. And I'm saying this without fear of contradiction, that if there's anything the 13th Parliament must achieve is fairness in distribution of government resources. We have to be fair. Why do you punish Manyata constituency because it has a bigger population? Why would you punish a constituency by ensuring another constituency is enjoying more money just because we have a bigger population? It's not acceptable. Nataka kusema because najua saa hii wameitikia ile kitu inaitwa bipartisan talks. Na ile katika National Assembly tumesema tunataka kusikiza vile wamepanga. Walete yote kwa meza tuweze kujua. Lakini mtu asizuie hata kidogo watu wangu wa Manyata kusikia uzuri wa serikali ambayo tulichagua in more than 90%. Tumekataa hiyo kabisa. Hili maneno ya maandamano hiyo hatutaki. Na nasema hivyo kwa sababu hii maneno ina affect mpaka hizi maneno ya disbursement. Hii pesa mimi ningepeana kitambo sana. Lakini juu serikali ya Dr. William Samoei Ruto imesema hatuwezi kuwa tunakopa pesa ndiyo tutumie bila kuhakikisha hii pesa ni ya production.
Please monitor jinsi mtoto wako anavyoendelea.
Haya, niritana ria mubunge ucio wa Manyata Gitonga Mukonji akiuga ati anagejeneria mĩario ya ati no muhaka mĩario itafanirio bunge-ini niguo gutigirira ati nimetha kihonia guku agikia ritana kuri mbeu njithi. Riboti ya mbetu twareka hinda-ini gaituka mbere ga guikiria na gitio kinene twambe tuikirie no tukihunduka niturahunduka na riboti makiria.
Hey darling, are we still on for a coffee date?
I'm waiting for you to come and pick me up.
I should be able to pick you in a few.
It's a coffee yogurt date?
It's not just a yogurt, it's royal coffee yogurt.
Flow with the sweet taste of thick and smooth Royal Fresh coffee yogurt. Royal Fresh, the royal taste of freshness.
Bururi-inĩ wa Mũgĩkũyũ tukiugaga ati wona cihanda wega thaa imwe cia hwaĩ-inĩ
tukiugaga nĩ mathaa ma mbũri ikĩingĩra
na ithuĩ nĩ twambĩkĩte hema kaunti ciothe 47
tukirongoreria marĩa matukonie tũrĩ ta nyũmba ya mũmbi
nĩ amu nyũmba nini ĩciraga ũtukũ
gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ tũkũmenyithia marĩa maragĩthiĩ na mbere na gũkunũka
tondũ nyũmba nini ĩciraga ũtukũ
nĩ o mũthenya wona cihanda thaa ĩmwe hwaĩ-inĩ
na thaa 3 cia ũtukũ nyitanagĩra na niĩ wa itherero wa Njoroge Baire wa Mararo na niĩ wa Njiro wa Maina niĩ wanja wa Wanjiro ndĩhandĩte iharo-inĩ
kũmenyithia ũrĩa bũrũri ũregariũra
nayo ceceni tiĩngĩ
ceceni-inĩ yaku wendete ya Muthingi TV
tukirongoreria marĩa matukonie ta nyũmba ya mũmbi.
Badilisha maisha yako na Big Win Bonanza. Jishindie shilingi 1,150 au shilingi 1,300 pesa taslimu kila siku kupitia vipindi maarufu uvipendavyo katika Lookup TV. Maelekezo ili ukaweza kuwa mshindi ni rahisi. Kwa simu yako ya mkononi, ingia kwenye M-Pesa. Elekea kwa Paybill, weka nambari 760202. Kwa account name, andika neno Muthingi. Kisha kwa amount, weka shilingi 99 au 99 shillings peke yake. Kwa M-Pesa Paybill, weka nambari 760202, account name Muthingi. Amount, weka shilingi 99 peke yake. Kumbuka, unavyocheza mara nyingi ndivyo unavyoongeza uwezo wako wa kuwa mshindi. Unasubiri nini? Badilisha maisha yako na Big Win Bonanza. Mchezo huu umeidhinishwa na BCLB na ambao wajifikisha miaka 18 hawajaruhusiwa kucheza. Cheza kwa kuwajibika vilivyo.
Cokereria mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV tugithi na mbere na kumenyithia maria tukuharireirie amemba agikundi gĩa Kukuranch sub-county-inĩ ya Loitoktok rumena gĩtũmi gĩa kũhũmũka na nĩ thutha wao kũiguithaniria kũgayana mũgũnda ũrĩa makoragwo na itemi-inĩ rĩao kũnina ngũĩ na mbara na rumena ĩrĩkoretwo igĩthiĩ na mbere gwa kahinda ka mĩaka 20 mũgũnda ũyũ nĩ wa mũigana wa eka 283 na kũrĩa marekwĩra atĩ kũrĩ na andũ mendaga gwĩtahĩra itemi-inĩ rĩa gũkorwo makĩgunĩka o kĩene. Ukiri ugu nimeranĩire ati gukorwo ni mekugayana mũgũnda ũyũ na njĩra ya kĩwatho ukirikana ati mũtaratara ũyũ ũkuoya kahinda ka mĩaka 3 nĩguo ũkorwo ũgĩkinyanĩra.
Kabisa na timu ambayo ya Taxos tutajitolea kuhakikisha ya kwamba mambo ambayo tutaenda kufanya hapa ni ya haki kwa wananchi. Tutahakikisha ya kwamba mambo ya register imeangaliwa, tumeverify, tumehakikisha ya kwamba hakuna dosari katika hiyo register na tutaeleza wananchi yale yote ambayo tumefanya.
Unapata kuna wale walipatiana title even 30 years ago. But we have around 25 to 50 people kwa sababu hao watu hawana wa kuwatetea. Kwa hivyo wakati nimesikia mkisema hapa, mkikuja kwa ofisi yangu, I will hold you accountable what you have said here. Kwamba CEO, you will work with everybody. Work with the widows, work with the orphans, and work with the underdogs.
Kusema ya kwamba kuna watu ambaye wanaendelea wakitembea mabroka wakiomba watu wause mashamba, wakiona mtu hajasoma, akiona mtu hana nguvu, akiona mtu ni maskini, anaenda kutumia hiyo, anatake hiyo advantage kwenda kumshawishi ili anunue shamba kwa 300,000 ama 250,000. Hiyo pia tunasema hatukubaliani naye.
Hiyo task force ni ya kuangalia kwamba watoto wa kuku, members wa kuku group wamefanyiwa haki. Tunapatana? Tunataka kuona haki ya mjane venye mama madam amesema. Tunataka kuona haki ya mtoto ambaye hana wazazi. Tunataka pia kuona haki ya wale waliotuacha wakatangulia na ni members wa group haki yao iko wapi?
Tugithi na mbere ni ati mihango ya guthaitira mititu hamwe na iceceni ngurani cia utegi wa mai rugongo rwa gitaru kia Rift Valley ni onekanite riu gukorwo ikioya uthio mweru na ni thutha wa kambuni ya Eldoret Water and Sanitation Services kwandikanira ngirimiti na Jambo Jet itemini ria gukorwo makihanda miunguro makiria ya 100 o mwaka. Gukiri uguo ni mugite ati ino ni njira imwe ya gutigirira ati ikiro cia mucii wa Eldoret no wabatira kuona ati mari na matanya na meririria ya ati mucii wa Eldoret ni ugutuo umwe wa micii minene guku kana na ihenya guku bururi-ini. Igongona ringi ta riri ria kuhanda miti ritanyitwo gutabanio mweri-ini wa kana mweri-ini turorete wa kanana hindi ria kigomano gia kanjo ya magavana igakorwo gikinya kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu. Okiri uguo ni matariria ati mari na itanya ria kuhanda miti makiria ya milioni 20 magikinyiriria mito kana wito wa President William Ruto ya ukorwo akihanda miti mingi na makiria kahinda-ini ka miaka 10 iukite.
In this area we need millions and millions of tree seedlings to be planted. This is the source of water for the whole of Western Kenya, in particular to Eldoret. And over the years, the reduction of forest cover is affecting the quality and the quantity of our water. And we believe that the partnership we have signed today in the MOU, or Memorandum of Understanding, is going to have us and Jambo Jet to partner in ensuring that we participate in tree planting in this area. This is the main source of water to Eldoret town, which is soon becoming the 5th city of the Republic of Kenya. That calls for high demand of high quality and quantity water. Currently we have a deficit of almost 20 million liters of water per day.
So unless we come in and bring in, get into these activities, whereby we add more trees, that's the only way. You can tell the population of Eldoret is growing every year. And if we have these deficits, that shows within the next 5-10 years, it will be double.
Tugithi na mbere ni ati riri arigitani kuma kaunti-ini ngurani mathiete na mbere na kuiga miro yao thi kaunti ya Kakamega maundu ti ngurani kuona ati arigitani aya ni marikitie kuheana mukana kuri thirikari ya Governor Ferdinand Baraza makiuga ati maga kuriho mishara yao ni mekuiga miro yao thi. Maugite ati kana uhoro uyu uheanitwo ni muikariri giti wao no riukaine ta Davji Atela gucunge muhera akiuga ati makoretwo makiruta wira matekurumbuyo na riu ni ihinda rikinyite makuga ati wona thirikari ino yaga kumarumbuya ni megukorwo makiiga miro yao thi uria kana ta uria kaunti ingi ithiete na mbere na gwika uguo. Gukiri uguo rugamiri wa thirikari ya kaunti ni ugite ati ni urehangia gutigirira ati ni mariha marigitari oro hamwe na manathi mishara yao ta uria mandikaniire ngirimiti-ini yao.
Solidarity forever. We have realized that this is the county that has consultants that are being paid as trainees or as interns. And this is the county that has a very big shortage of healthcare workers, and particularly for doctors. This is the county that has resorted to casualize doctors to the point that they're paying them daily wages. And in this regard, those who have worked from the month of January, now in April, the 14 doctors that are engaging have not seen anything like wages. They have not seen their salaries. Solidarity forever. And this warning that we are saying here is for the county to take action. That if we come back again to have a meeting with doctors and found these things not implemented, then we will not have any other options but to call an industrial action for this county. The county should not contravene the Labour Relations Act. The county should not contravene the right of workers to be promoted, the right of workers to work in an environment that are supported with the equipments and the reagents that they need to do their work. So that is been the discussion with doctors here today, and therefore we have put the county on notice to sort out the issues of the 14 doctors that put on locum and put them in the right terms as all doctors. 14 doctors who have worked for the last, since January, today it is April, and they have not seen any cents in their pockets. So it means they're suffering. There's no any way you can discuss that. There's no any way you can handle that. So it's an injustice to them. An injustice to one in a union is justice to all members of the union. And we cannot condone that action. We are calling the county, first of all, to pay those doctors on locum the peanuts that are giving them immediately. as we ask for the engagement in the right terms.
Haya, riboti hiyo iharĩrĩirio nĩ mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Kamau wa Chege, na nĩ ũgũkorwo ĩgĩtũtigĩrĩra mũtambũrũko witũ wa ithaa rĩrĩ ngatho cia mwanya nĩ arĩa othe makinyanĩria mũtambũrũko ũyũ. Nĩ tũragĩthiĩ na mbere na kwambĩka hema citũ na makĩria kaunti-inĩ ciothe 47 gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ twathuthuria na twamenya marĩa maragĩthiĩ na mbere na gũkunũka. Koguo wona cihanda wega oro rĩngĩ thaa igĩrĩ na nĩ cia hwaĩ-inĩ, nĩ tũkũhũndũka nĩ gwĩtemi-inĩ rĩa gũkũmenyithia marĩa tũgĩthiĩte na mbere na gũkũharĩrĩria. Ndũgetĩkĩre gũthiora mĩtambo gũkũ nĩ kwa Muthingi TV, tũgĩkiugaga nĩ kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema. Mahinda mothe tũngĩcemania nawe ũnjĩte Kariuki wa Nduati nĩ ngũkorwo ngĩtĩka.